So I suppose that would make you...
Enjoying your meal, Frank?
As in Frank owes me money, Frank? Of course. It's all making perfect sense. I suppose it's only a scam if you fall for it. Well, thank you, Mr. Frank. I hope we never meet again. Mr. Nilo, hello. Did you just whistle at me?
12,000.
Hey, scusa.
10,000.
Aren't you missing an engine? Signorina, he could not get you as far as the outhouse. In fact, his boat kind of looks like an outhouse.
Angeke uzothola umkhumbono ohlonze njengowami. Ngisho ungahamba uye le kwelase Brazil bazokutshela.
Why should I trust you?
Ingoba yimi kuphela ongakwazi ukulisa.
Dear Santo.
Oh my gosh.
Qaphela iyakwazi ukuzwa umusaba.
I am not afraid.
Hey, ikati le shot.